Come on into the workshop of words here at Mighty Minds Manor, a room full of tools that don't hammer or glue, but help fix something even more important: friendships. Ava and Katie were best friends. They did everything together: matching hair clips, lunch trades, even twin Halloween costumes. But one day during art class, Katie borrowed Ava's favorite sparkly purple marker and didn't return it. When Ava found it later, the tip was smashed. "You ruined it," Ava shouted. "You always take my stuff." Katie's face crumpled. "I didn't mean to." But Ava turned away. She didn't talk to Katie at lunch, or recess, or even during dismissal. That night, Ava's mom handed her something called the Friendship Fix-It Kit. It was just a shoebox with silly stickers, a feelings chart, and some blank cards. "What's this?" Her mom smiled. "Words are tools. Sometimes we need the right ones to fix what's broken." Ava stared at the feelings chart. Hurt, mad, ignored, confused. "I feel all of these." So she picked a card and wrote, "I was mad about the marker, but I really miss you. Can we talk?" The next morning, she handed the card to Katie. Katie opened it slowly and smiled. "I didn't mean to break it. I'll help buy a new one." And just like that, their friendship was back, maybe even stronger. They added something new to the Fix-It kit, a marker labeled "Let's Talk It Out." At Mighty Minds Manor, we believe the best tools for fixing friendships aren't in your hands, they're in your heart.